In this video, we're going to take a look at one of the most innovative boxes for whiskey that's ever been released. So welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark Littler, a whiskey broker, consultant and analyst. If you want more information, head to marklittler.com. And yes, in this video, we're talking about an innovative box. It's a limited edition box for your whiskey. So let's get it up on the cask. It's the Glengoyne Offline Edition. So in a way, let's get the normal part of this whiskey out the way with. Because the whiskey, by all accounts, it's very good whiskey, but it's just a standard bottle of Glengoyne Legacy Chapter 3, which is 48% ABV. It's beautiful, quite sherried, and I'm going to open this one with my dad on Father's Day and we'll share a nice dram together. But that's not really that innovative. You can buy the Glengoyne Legacy Chapter 3 from Glengoyne or retailers. I think it's about £69. But this limited edition box with the bottle goes for £120 or costs £120 if you can get hold of one. Why are they charging 50 quid for a cardboard box? Well, don't be deceived. This isn't just a cardboard box. Inside here, you've got an aluminium tube. And basically, you've got a Faraday-cage. So if you take your phone, so pop it in there, pop the lid on, you're now distraction free. You're peace, you've got calm. No phone signals can get through this. No 3G, no 4G, no 5G. And that's all what this bottle and this series or this box is about, really. With the box, you actually get a little notebook, which is really gorgeous. And inside here, there's a bit of a blurb, and I think it's quite interesting. They say no matter where we are or what we're doing, our phones have become a constant distraction. This limited edition whiskey box is being created using aluminium to block out all electromagnetic signals, meaning when you take the whiskey out and place your phone inside, you can enjoy an unhurried dram distraction-free. So yes, it's over-engineered to the max. Just turn your phone off. It's not that easy though, is it? I can't just turn my phone off. I can't even, if it's in my pocket and I'm sat down, I'll be looking at WhatsApp, I'll be looking at YouTube, I'll be looking at anything. Even trying to turn it off, you get that, you know, it does work turning your phone off, don't get me wrong. But watch the social network. We're all engineered now to use our phones and be brought into it. What I love, absolutely love about this box, and yes, it's a box, is that it gives us a bit of a chance for a bit of a breathing space. And it gives you a chance to do it with a bit of a gimmick. Get your friends round, get your loved ones round, get your family round, open a bottle of whiskey, stick your phones inside, and just chill out, you know, turn your phones off. I think we all need a bit more space in this world. I mean, what do you think of this bottle? I think it's probably going to be really popular on the secondary market. I think it's a beautiful gimmick, but I think it's a gimmick with purpose. I just can't say how much I love the concept of this. I can't even explain why. Maybe I can. Bit of counselling here for myself. It's because it's so hard to turn off in modern society, isn't it? And this is what I love about it. It's a chance for a bit of peace and quiet. So this video is probably going to come out after Father's Day, but on Father's Day, me and my dad will be enjoying a dram of this whiskey and having a nice time together. What do you think? Gimmick, or actually quite a beautiful concept, beautifully executed? It really is beautifully executed. So there we have it. It's the Glengoyne Offline Edition. A massive gimmick, but in my opinion, massively worth it.